Hey there, other tech enthusiasts! Today's journey is all about making the complex simple and ensuring that setting up a robust security system for your warehouse stack becomes not just a task, but an exciting and easily understandable endeavor. And also, if you have any questions with your security camera system design, please feel free to contact us through the link down in the description box below, and our team of experts will provide you with a solution that's tailored for your specific need. So with all the goods, machinery, and human interaction, having a security system in a warehouse stack is essential for protecting assets and ensuring safety and maintaining operational efficiency. Now, warehouse stacks often have a large space to cover, requiring multiple cameras to cover all the areas. So the challenges will arise in this long-range setup, including footage drop. This is the nightmare for any tech setup. And also signal degradation. Your camera signal might play hide-and-seek with you. But no worry, because we are going to turn them into opportunities for a safer and a more secure workplace, and turn your warehouse stack into a fortress of security where every corner is under watch. So Power over Ethernet is often used in a surveillance camera setup. It is convenient technology that allows both power and data to be transmitted over a single Ethernet cable, simplifying the installations of devices like IP cameras. But in the context of warehouse stacks, where often feature expansive spaces, the conventional PoE range might fall short, since the standard PoE distance limitation is approximately 100 meters. That's 328 feet. So beyond this distance, the power supply might diminish, leading to voltage drop and inadequate power delivery to the connected device. So now I'm going to give out the alternative solution, the implementation of a long-range PoE switch. Now this is a powerful solution to overcome the distance limitation associated with PoE technology, particularly in a warehouse stack environment where expansive spaces demand extended coverage. So next I'm going to show you our 24-port long-range PoE switch. Now this is a powerful network device that effectively extends your PoE range up to 500 meters and allowing your IP devices to be deployed flexibly anywhere in the warehouse. Now let's take a closer look. It has 24 RJ45 PoE port to 1000 megabit per second RJ45 Ethernet port and 1 gigabit SFP uplink port for high-speed data transmission. Now this switch is perfect when you have to install IP devices at different distances. Let me tell you why. Port number 1 to 16 here can also reach up to 250 meters if you put it on the CCTV mode. And also for port number 17 to 24, those are the long-range port. If you're using an adapter with it, you can connect to devices up to 500 meters and enable different distance setup for your specific need. And this switch also has a total power budget of 225 watts and deliver up to 30 watts of power to devices. And next, I'm going to show you how to use it. So now we are in front of the demonstration board and our 24-port long-range PoE switch is already in place. I'm going to connect to this bullet camera that's 200 meters away. So let's do it from the beginning. Remember that I said port number 1 to 16 can also support up to 250 meters, but all you need to do is put it to the CCTV mode all the way on the right. Otherwise, there will only be standard PoE port. So I'm going to plug in the Ethernet cable to one of this port. And here we have the router and the network video recorder. Let's plug it into the switch as well, so we can view the video footage on the monitor, and also remote access. So here we have a 200 meters Ethernet cable. It is already connected to a bullet camera. Next, I'm going to show you the video feed on the monitor. Coming over here, let's search for the camera. And then add it to our list. And now it is connected. So here we have a live video feed. I'm going to wave my hand to show you this is a live video. So those ports can achieve up to 250 meters. And next, I'm going to show you how to connect to cameras that's 500 meters away. So for 500 meters setup, we'll need to use the Long Range PoE port. So I'm going to use an Ethernet cable to plug into one of this port. And this is a 500 meters Ethernet cable, but since I don't have one big row of 500 meters, that's why I'm going to join this 200 meters and 300 meters together using this simple coupler. So now I have total 500 meters. Then I'm going to plug it into a PoE adapter. Now the reason why we need an adapter, because our long-range PoE switch has the long-range technology chips built in, but our camera doesn't. That's why we'll need this PoE adapter in order to send back the long-range signal all the way to the switch. So let's take it out. It is IP67 waterproof rated. I'm going to take out the neck and the gland for easy installation. And also this is a special mounting tool which allows you to mount it on the DIN wheel flexibly. Let's plug it into the input port from the switch. And this is the output port. I'm going to use this short patch cord to connect with it. And mount it back on the DIN wheel. This short patch cord is already connected to the PTZ camera, and I'm sure you already hear the sound and know that it is already working. It is getting both power and data for the PTZ camera. So I'm going to go back to our monitor and let's search for the PTZ camera. And it is connected. Apply. Let's go to the split. Well, it is facing the board, but this is absolutely a live video, and I'm going to wave my hand on the board. So it is achieving the 500 meters and 250 meters at the same time. So it is perfect for your warehouse dock. For some additional information, choosing the right security camera system for a warehouse dock is like picking the perfect tool for a job. Firstly, identify the specific area that you want to monitor in your warehouse. Include loading bay, entrances, exit, and storage area. Because knowing your coverage need is the foundation of selecting the right camera. And also consider using a combination for comprehensive coverage, like pair with a fixed camera and a PTZ camera. Now the fixed camera is stationary and can cover a specific field of view, which is ideal for focusing on key points, while the PTZ camera can rotate, tilt, and zoom, and providing a flexibility in monitoring different areas. And for detailed monitoring, choose the camera with high resolution. This can help in identifying faces, license plates, and other critical details. And warehouse may also have varying lighting condition, so make sure to opt for a camera with good low light performance, or consider adding supplementary lighting for better visibility during nighttime. So in conclusion, the Long Range PoE switch offers many advantages. The real-time, no-latency transmission over extended distances ensures seamless connectivity in your warehouse. And with the cable-only requirement for the 250-meter setup, there's no need to bury active device and simplifying the installation. And also the flexibility to enable different distance setup cater to specific need effortlessly. Additionally, the plug-and-play nature eliminates compatibility concern, making it a convenient and efficient choice for a warehouse reliable and hassle-free network solution. So that's all for today. You can also explore our comprehensive tech solution on our website's dedicated page and discover the innovative solution that tailor to your need. And thank you very much for joining us, and I'll see you in the next video.